Alright, what up y'all, it's Matt. So I just want to take 2 minutes here and show y'all how I charge my batteries over the winter time, because there's nothing better than being the start of spring and having to go spend, you know, 400 bucks on new batteries for all your equipment. So check it out, guys. Alright guys, so here's the deal. I basically went down to Amazon and got 5 of these battery chargers. So they're the little ones. They're like 25 bucks a piece. If y'all need one, I'll link to it in the description down below. But basically, I got 5 of them to hook up to all my equipment. And I got these things ran all throughout the garage. So I'm going to give y'all the rundown. Because I had so much stuff I needed to charge, you know, it wasn't feasible to do it any other way. So I just had to buy 5 of them. So check out my setup, guys. Alright, so these things don't use any power at all. So you can put a bunch of them, you know, hook them all together. They don't use any amperage at all. But you can see I just got them on a power strip here. Hella messy. But it goes over here. One goes to the back of my bike right there. And then it goes, you know, to the Yanmar tractor battery, my boat battery, my four-wheeler battery. And you can see it's got these things with the inline fuses right here. So, yeah, it doesn't really matter. It's really safe. And there's no fire hazard of leaving these things plugged up nonstop. And then I got another one in my riding lawnmower. I'll show you the wiring harness on that. Alright, so you can see right here I have, this is the other style wire harness that comes in the box. It comes with both of those types. But basically, it's just got ring terminals here. It goes to the negative, and then it goes to this quick disconnect boy right here. And positive right here has a fuse, so that's good to go. So I got this right here on the lawnmower. That's not coming out. And basically, it's a pain in the butt to have to take the batteries out of everything. So that's why, you know, you want to use these, because you can just hook it up in the machine and leave it like that. You know, you don't have to rip the battery out, because it's a pain in the butt to get these batteries in and out if you have like 5 of them to charge like me. Alright guys, so I've been playing with these battery chargers for the past couple months here, and they work really great. Except if your battery's totally dead. If it's totally dead, you need the big boys like the 15, 20, 25 amp chargers to really shock them back. These chargers are only trickle chargers, so they're only 0.75 amps or 750 milliamps. So they'll only, you know, slowly charge it. That way it doesn't die over the winter. But if that's all you're doing, they work great. I'll check y'all out in the next video. Peace.